If your Android phone's volume sounds weak, flat, or underwhelming, you're not alone. Most people turn the volume all the way up and still feel like something is missing. The truth is, your phone is capable of producing much better sound than you're hearing right now. The problem is that manufacturers often hide the best audio settings deep inside the system. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock those hidden features step by step using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The best part is that most of these settings work on other Android phones as well, and I'll show you where to find them if your device looks different. So grab your phone, follow along, and let's improve your audio experience. The first thing we're going to do is unlock your phone's surround sound engine. This feature adds more depth, clarity, and power to your audio, making music, videos, and games sound significantly better. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Sound Quality and Effects. Tap Dolby Atmos and turn it on. Now, instead of leaving it set to auto, select Music. This forces your phone to prioritize the highest quality audio profile at all times, whether you're listening through the built-in speakers or using headphones. If you're using a different Android phone and don't see Dolby Atmos, don't worry. Open Settings, go to Sound, and look for options such as Audio Effects, Sound Enhancement, or Sound Effects. Brands like OnePlus, Xiaomi, and Realme often include similar features under different names. Now let's bring back the deep bass your phone has been missing. Go back to Sound Quality and Effects and tap Equalizer. By default, it's usually set to Balanced, which produces a very flat sound profile. Select Bass Boost, and you'll notice an immediate improvement in low-frequency performance. If you want even more control, choose Custom Command. Increase the first two sliders on the left side. These control the lower frequencies responsible for bass. Adjust them gradually until you find a sound profile that matches your preference. If you're using another Android device, head to Settings, then Sound, and look for Sound Quality, Audio Effects, or Equalizer settings. You can also find equalizer controls inside many music streaming apps. If these tips are helping you so far, take a second to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps Gen 2 Solutions grow and ensures you never miss future Android tips, hidden features, and performance upgrades. Now, here's a feature most people have never heard of. Everyone hears sound differently, and our hearing changes as we get older. Samsung actually includes a feature that customizes audio based on your hearing profile. Go back to Sound Quality and Effects and tap Adapt Sound. Instead of leaving it turned off, select the age group that best matches you, such as under 30 years old or 30 to 60 years old. This adjusts specific frequencies to match your hearing range, making audio sound clearer, richer, and more natural. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more content like this.